It's okay. You want to put them in the bag? Thank you.
I am now.
Okay, come finish helping Grandma.
Grandma.
Here, you look at me here.
Okay.
Is that a monarch butterfly?
Yeah.
It's beautiful, huh?
Oh.
Uh-oh.
More pieces have ended up on the floor than in the bag, eh, dear?
Oh, he's doing good. Okay, oh, sorry. Thank you.
Piece at a time.
A bit more puzzle.
Uh-oh.
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 Dropped him.
Yeah, we'll get him in a minute. For now.
Got it. You got it.
Thank you.
Hold up. On bag. Cheese. Black cheese.
Black cheese.
Yeah.
Yuck.
Yeah.
We don't eat black cheese. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Where'd it go?
Right there. Dookie.
Don't see it. Oh, I see it. Move your head. I got it. I'll help you this time.
Go on bag. On bag. On bag. Oh. Eat it.
Don't eat it.
Uh-oh. Dropped him. Got it.
Having fun, love?
I don't think it's ever taken me this long to take a puzzle apart. You like the puzzle?
Bag.
Grandma just dropped 3 more.
3 more.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Better get him.
I'll get him. I got him.
Grandma got.
Grandma got him.
Grandma thinks she's got him. Okay.
Owen's turn.
Owen's turn.
Oh, gone.
Not exactly. But close enough.